In this video, I am going to show you how to make a birthday wish video in Canva. Launch your Canva app. In the center menu, click on Video. Click on Video again. In the left search box, type Happy Birthday. You can see that there are a large number of templates available here. Choose one to your liking. In the left side menu, click on Uploads. Click on Upload Files. Upload your image or video, it works with both. Wait for the uploading process to complete. Click on the image that you uploaded. It will bring the image to the design. Drag your image where the model image is. If your image doesn't fit the model frame like mine, double-click on the image. Now drag your image according to your liking. Click on Done. You can also edit the text of the design. Double-click on the text. Edit the text however you like. Click anywhere on the page to deselect. Now let's get a preview. Click on the play icon. To download the video, click on Share. Click on Download. Make sure that the file type is MP4 video. Click on Download again. After downloading, let's see our video. Here you successfully created a birthday wish video for your friend, family, or loved ones.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.